Adding custom excerpts in WordPress helps you control how your content is previewed on archive pages, search results, or any listing. By default, WordPress displays the first part of your post as the excerpt, but you can customize this for better control and presentation. Here's how to do it. Manually creating excerpts. Go to your post editor. Edit an existing post or create a new one. Write the excerpt. On the right side of the editor, under Post Settings, look for the Excerpt box. Add your custom excerpt. In the excerpt box, write a short summary or description of the post. This is the text that will be shown in your archives and search results. Update or publish the post. Click Publish or Update to save your changes. Automatically generate excerpts with PHP. If you want more control over your excerpt's length, you can modify the functions.php file of your theme. Go to Appearance, Theme Editor. Edit the functions.php file and add this code to set a custom excerpt length. Save changes.